Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to unlock all content in RACCOIN. Let's begin by opening the profile menu. Here select a burner profile or entirely create a new one, then switch to it. Here hit unlock all. This will warn you that Steam achievements won't work in this current profile. Select yes. As you can see, my collection and milestone were updated. I have everything unlocked. But, as you can see, I cannot take it back. That's why I told you to do it on a brand new profile. Because if you were to do this on your main one, well, you would lose all progress. If you wanted to continue to earn achievements on your main one, you would need to reset the progress completely, as you can see. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.